हो गया पर जा नहीं रहा था पहले। ठीक है ठीक है ठीक। हाँ आप एक बार मेरे को बता देना अगर नहीं हुआ। ठीक है ठीक है ओके ओके। Hi, good morning. Sorry, good afternoon, everybody. I'm sorry for the inconvenience, some technical issue. I hope everyone is good. Right now, my camera is off. I'm just going to turn on. Come on, people, join. Today is just Sunday. I think everybody's free after the breakfast. So it's a good time to work out. Yes. Guys, please share the ID with your friends, relatives. Yes. Come on, try it up. Hi, good afternoon, everybody. Yes, I'm back again. Are you guys remember? Yeah. So, Sunday workout. सब कहते हैं Sunday is a lazy day, rest day, but no. Sunday workout the best workout because it's the next week we can hold plan according to our side. Okay, so are you ready for the dance fitness, Bollywood, Zumba, and Bhangra fitness? Yes? Okay, people, please join up quickly and please comment now your favorite. Okay, so last time there is a lot of parents message me the play Bala track, and I'm so sorry I forgot, and that was that song not in my playlist. Now this time is only first number. I'm going to play only after the warm up immediately the Bala song. So I hope kids are ready with the shoes, with the track pants, with the water bottle, with the hand towel. Yes, kids, moms, anybody can do this because it's very easy basic steps. You can learn also some basic steps you can use anywhere, this any home house party, even school events, anytime, any place. Yes. So come on, people, join us and comment your favorite track and everything. I think, yeah, almost there's a lot of people. Yes. Sorry for the inconvenience, guys. Yes, Disha Gupta. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. So I'm going to start with the warm up because we're already late. So I'm going to start our first track. Are you guys ready? Yeah. How was the warm up? Just a second. How was the warm up, guys? Guys, I think everything is perfect. Yeah, my video and my audio. Guys, please comment on it down because I can't see you. Yeah, because I can't see you. I can see just only your comments, your likes, your comments, and everything. Come on. I hope everything is okay with my audio and video. Yeah. So, yes, there is a lot of thank you, Kritika, thank you, Shreya, thank you so much, thank you, Tajinder, thank you so much, thank you. Yes. So now, after the one track, your body is warm up or no? Warmed up or no? Yes. You can just do the stretch. Yeah. Agar aapne Sunday heavy breakfast kiya, then please come on. Then you need the stretch. Then you need the workout also. Come on, just do the stretch. Yes. Now I'm going to play some funk songs, some Bollywood, some Punjabi, some, yes, the mix. Bala Bala, I know. Comments mein abhi bhi aa raha hai Bala Bala, I guess. Yeah. So thank you, Petal School again. I'm coming here the fifth time, I guess. It's the fifth time. Yes. Thank you for your love and support, guys. आपकी कमेंट से, आपके लाइक से मैं पेटल स्कूल के साथ फिफ्थ टाइम ये इवेंट कर रही हूँ. थैंक यू सो मच पेटल स्कूल्स. थैंक यू सो मच एवरीबॉडी. थैंक यू पेरेंट्स. थैंक यू किड्स who love my class, who all are dancing with me right now. And I have seen the last time videos. You guys are amazing. Trust me. Your dance, your movement, your style, everybody, you guys are amazing. Trust me. Thank you. Thank you so much. So are you ready for the next now? You want to drink water? Just have one sip water. Yes. I think Sunday सबने I think ये भटूरे चने like ऐसे ये वाला breakfast किया होगा, right? उसके बाद तो ये हिलना थोड़ा सा जरूरी है. Yes. क्योंकि I had also prantha today because it's a Sunday. So मेरा भी cheat day होता है Sunday. तो मुझे भी लग रहा है मैंने पराठा खाया तो I have to burn my calories. I think the same there also, right? So enjoy the second track. Guys, please comment on it down. If you are liking my class, please share this IG to your friends and relatives. Please share. Thank you.
Here we come back again to give you something crazy. G-Series, Bala Bala non-stop remix. Can't rock as he started our लड़की ओ लड़की आंख मारे ओ लड़की आंख मारे ओ लड़की आंख मारे Go get it out. Get it out. Go get it out. Oh yeah.
जहाँ जहाँ जाऊँ मेरे पीछे पीछे आए गली गली के आशिक दावा मेरा होना चाहे
हाय जहाँ जहाँ जाए तेरे पीछे पीछे आए हम तो क्या दीवाने तेरे तेरा होना चाहे
सीटी बजाए नखरे दिखाए
अच्छा
सीटी बजाए नखरे दिखाए बीच सड़क में हर नाम मेरा पुकारे ओ करके इशारे ओ लड़का
लड़की
ओ लड़की आंख मारे ओ लड़की आंख मारे ओ लड़की आंख मारे
alright party people now we're just starting up now come on now yeah come on now yeah
Yes. Yeah, I played two songs. One is free. Yeah. I think both are favorite sound. मेरे तो favorites हैं. I think आपके भी अगर favorites हैं, please comment. Is your favorite track Bala and Aankh Mare? Yes, it's a very easy steps. Okay, I'll teach you the two steps. Bala's song is very simple. You can just do this style, bala, 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 and the very simple basic. आपको अपने left hand को hold करना है and right hand से tuck is this 1, 2. So your main pressure is coming from the right hand. So see 1, 2, 3, and just sit. This is a squat position. I hope everyone know this is a squat position. You have to just set your sumo squat position and just set the hand movement, and you have to come forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a very simple step. And you can move forward, you can move back, you can go side. In one step, we can use so that there is a lot of variation, right? So according to the age group, who all are doing the small tiny tots, nursery class kids or KG class kids, they can do the standing like this. Yeah, जैसे upper first class, second class, they can use. So dance also is a kind of variation. For the tiny tots, the same step. Tiny tots वो खड़े खड़े ऐसे कर सकते हैं. जो जैसी elder kids है, they can walk. You know, so is also is that there is a lot of variation. So आंख मारे का step क्या था? You remember? Say yes or no in a comment. I can see all the comments. Yeah, Ashna, yes. Oh, you send me this dancing pose. Thank you, Ashna. Thank you so much. Yeah, it's Poonam Singh, awesome, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ma'am, if your kids and you guys are enjoying, please make a video, small video, and just send it to us. We'll post on Petal School's story and the my story in Flawless Fitness by Shania. I have wear my t-shirt too. So you can just follow my ID from here. So yeah. So any guess the next song? And you can send me to your favorite track. Come on, your favorite track. Thanks, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much. You can drink water. आज मैंने अपनी वाटर में कुछ भी मिक्स नहीं किया बिकॉज आई हैड हैवी ब्रेकफास्ट. तो उसके ऊपर हम नॉर्मल just warm water भी पिएंगे तो चलेगा. So in during the class, like when you are doing a workout, don't drink chilled water. So just take normal water. Thank you so much. Thank you. किसी ने बहुत ही अच्छा कमेंट किया है. Who is खेल खेल में सीखो. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes. Are you ready for the next track? Yes. So if there is a demand is one Punjabi track. Are you ready for the one Punjabi track? Because Punjabi ke bina energy nahi aayegi. Yes, Bhangra Fitness. Let's go. Come on. So my Punjabi track is a famous. Ready?
You're in the mix with DJ Shadow Dubai and Dolby International. Shadow Dubai and Dolby International.
Yes. कुछ एनर्जी आ रही पंजाबी भांगड़ा करने के बाद? Say yes or no? मुझे तो बहुत ज़्यादा आ रही है. It's too much sweat. It's the same here. I think पेटल स्कूल के टीचर्स भी वर्कआउट कर रहे हैं क्योंकि वो इतना हार्ड वर्क कर रहे हैं. ऑनलाइन सेशंस, handful week stress, बच्चों को स्टडी कराना, it's not easy guys, because I'm also taking online session जो भी मैं already teach करते आ रही थी with the gyms and with my own brand. So it's really tough online session because I have seen tiny tots को painting and everything और एक एक बच्चे पे concentrate करना. Hats off, hats off, hats off all the teachers. Really, they are working very hard. तो उनके लिए तो ये workout बनता है. Come on. So yes, yeah, I hope you guys are doing and you have to comment also. मुझे teachers के भी comment चाहिए. After the class, I'll definitely read कि आपने session enjoy किया नहीं किया. So please, thank you so much Petal School again. They are doing very well because it's an online session, some extra activities. These all are extra activities for your kids only. Because kids आजकल इतना घर बैठे सेम रूटीन सेम एवरीथिंग बोर हो रहे हैं. अगर ये ऑनलाइन सेशंस नहीं होते, आई थिंक मुझे नहीं लगता कि कोई इस लाइफ में इस पूरे वर्ल्ड में हैप्पी होता जितना मैं खुश हूँ इस ऑनलाइन सेशन से एंड एवरीथिंग. I think the best way to, you know, connect with the school, connect with the school. School is a family, you know that. So school के साथ connect, teacher के साथ bound, because same नहीं तो बच्चा उसी में, you know, family member 4-5 members में ही उसी में busy हो जाता है, and वो चीज़, वो activity after 3 or 4 months, अब हमें पता नहीं है कि ये कोरोना कब तक चलेगा या कुछ ऐसे है. So please stay with the online session. कभी भी ऑनलाइन सेशन क्विट मत करना, बिकॉज ऑनलाइन सेशन से ही हम अपनी ग्रोथ वैसी ही रख सकते हैं. अदरवाइज हम एक दिन वैसे ही डाउन आ जाएंगे, किड्स भी वैसे ही लो फील करेगा. तो इसी ऑनलाइन सेशन से हम, यू नो व्हाट आई मीन. आई होप यू गाइज अंडरस्टैंड. सो मैं ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लूँगी बिकॉज इट्स द वर्कआउट सेशन. सो आई नो योर फेवरेट ट्रैक. नाउ टेल मी एनी कमेंट्स. Thank you so much, Daljeet. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Yes. So, are you ready for the next track? Your favorite track? Tell me. Any comment? And did you like my class? Again, guys, comment. I need a lot of comments. It's not comment, it's your love about me. So I want to see कि कितना आप मेरी क्लास की डिमांड एंड मुझसे इतना मेरे क्लासेस, मेरे स्टेप्स से हैप्पी हैं एंड मुझे आप दोबारा देखना चाहते हैं. सो प्लीज लेट्स रेडी फॉर द नेक्स्ट ट्रैक.
DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell the DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell the DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell them play that shit again. Tell them that you like that line. DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell the DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell the DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back.
You don't have to be the last one standing. Or show me you could be the one.
तू अखियाँ मिला के तूने मेरे आजा तेरा दिल पाके तेरे उत्ते मरता.
तू गला बड़ी करदा मैं करके बता जा. मेरे नेड़े आ तू आजा सोनिया.
I wanna see you whine like Rihanna, get all up on the bum diggy diggy bum bum. She burn it up like the summer. She turn me on with a bum diggy diggy bum bum.
You got me like crazy, it's your calling.
With a bum diggy diggy bum bum.
You got me like crazy, it's your calling.
Si el ritmo te lleva a mover la cabeza, ya empezamos como es. Mi música no discrimina a nadie, así que vamos a romper. Toda mi gente se mueve. Mira el ritmo como lo tiene. Hago música que entretiene. El mundo nos quiere, me quiere a mí. Toda mi gente se mueve. Mira el ritmo como lo tiene. Hago música que entretiene. Mi música los tiene fuerte bailando y se baila así.
पीछे मेरे जाके तू अखियाँ लड़ाइया. तू दिल
this was also latest track. I hope you guys like it. Yes, because this song, again, every kids want to do. Yeah, in my classes, so kids love it, the song. I hope you guys also like this. Guys, if you like the song, please comment. Yeah. Yeah. I hope you guys are enjoying my audio and my video is coming perfect. Yes, just show me a thumb so I can see you. Yeah, I can't see you. Sorry, I can see comment. Yeah. Guys, did I lose some weight or no? Did you lose some weight in 5 classes? In 5 classes, I think I'm sure कि और भी बहुत सारी activities Petal School ने दी है. So have you lost some weight or no? Yeah, lockdown में सब खाने पीने की exercise ज़्यादा कर रहे हैं मुझे लगता है. I'm sure Petal School इतने I think मैंने इसके sessions देखे हैं cooking के. So अगर इतनी अच्छी cooking वो sir I think वो teach करते हैं. I think I'm sure सब खाने पीने में भी उतना ही ध्यान दे रहे हैं जितना हम वर्कआउट के. तो पेटल स्कूल सबका प्रॉपरली ध्यान रख रहा है खाने पीने से लेकर पेंटिंग घर डेकोर करने से लेकर वर्कआउट से लेकर. आई थिंक राइट. आई थिंक सारी वेरिएशन है इसमें सब तरह की वेरिएशन है ताकि लाइफ में चेंज आना चाहिए. वन डे जस्ट ईट वन डे जस्ट पेंटिंग हाउ टू डेकोर आवर हाउस यू नो पेंटिंग से. एंड देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ सेशन विद द डॉक्टर्स एंड आई हैव सीन. Amazing work. Yes. So are we doing the last track? Now tell me some Punjabi or Bollywood. Come on, comment. Thank you, Shri Agarwal. Thank you so much. Thank you for your love and support. Yeah. So are you ready for the next track? Say yes or no. You have to write yes. Then I can play some best song for you. Come on. Yes. So I'm going to play some remix in a hip hop style. Song is good, but I'm going to play this song with a hip hop style for a change. Come on.
वे तू लौंग वे मैं लाची तेरे पीछे आ गवाची. वे तू लौंग वे मैं लाची तेरे पीछे आ गवाची. तेरे इश्क ने मारी कुड़ी कच दी कवारी. तेरे इश्क ने मारी कुड़ी कच दी कवारी. मैं चंबे दे पहाड़ा वाली शाम वे मुंडिया संदली संदली नैना विच तेरा नाम वे मुंडिया. संदली संदली नैना विच तेरा नाम वे
Yes. Oh my God. मेरा लैपटॉप रुकता ही नहीं है प्लेलिस्ट साथ के साथ. Yeah. So, how was it? Comment. Again, please comment. How was it? The mixed fusion of hip hop and Indian dance, Punjabi dance. So I mixed with some Bollywood steps and some hip hop mix with the style and some Indian track with the Thumka girls, right? So this is the mixed fusion of combination. For a change, yeah, I've seen you already done this song. We already done a lot of songs, but I think this is something different with the mix. Comment. Yes. Any choice of your song? आई थिंक ये गर्ल्स के लिए स्पेशल सॉन्ग था, तो मुझे लगा इस लाइव सेशन में तो कोई भी कर रहा है ये वर्कआउट, लाइक पेरेंट, dad also, grandparent, might be kids, the male. So it's a mixed combination. So this dance boys भी कर सकते हैं, anybody can copy. Yeah. So are you guys ready for the next track? Okay. So guys, this is my last track. So I hope बाकी नेक्स्ट टाइम के लिए हम थोड़ा सा बचा कर रखते हैं. सॉन्ग्स तो बहुत ज्यादा है. Yeah. So, are you ready for the next track? So the demand is a mukabla. Yeah. The comment, there is a lot of comment is a mukabla, right? It's fine. Because one played I for the girls and this one dance and the hip hop style. Okay, ready for the vocabulary track. It's the last track, guys. Please have fun and to with the energy. Come on.
We are the sounds of the streets.
जहाँ से मिटा
I think the Mukabla, yeah, there's a lot of demand of Mukabla also. I hope you love this step. You have to make the video. You have to make the video and send it to me. मुझे भी देखना है कि कितना कॉपी आप कर रहे हैं, right? I want to also see. So, guys, let's start the last cool down because time is up. अलविदा कहने का टाइम आ गया है, बट मेरे को जाने का बिल्कुल मन नहीं है. But I have to go. So, waiting for the next time. Yeah. I think Petal School इतनी सर्विसेज ऑनलाइन दे रहा है तो आई एम श्योर मुझे दोबारा वापस भी बुलाएंगे. आई एम श्योर अगर ये 5th टाइम है तो आई एम श्योर नेक्स्ट टाइम भी मैं आने वाली हूँ. बोर तो नहीं हुए ना मेरे से? आप तो कमेंट अगर बोर हो गए तो यू कैन टेल मी फ्रैंकली. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, मुझे गुस्सा आता ही नहीं है, नहीं आता बिकॉज या. सो हाउ टू डू डैप किड्स. आपने मुझे सबने अपनी डैप की वीडियो सॉरी फोटोग्राफ सेंड करनी है. वन पिक्चर. हाउ टू डू द डैप इज दिस टाइप. हाउ दिस. You have to send me this picture. Okay, I'll post on my Instagram. My Insta ID is flawless.shania is right here. Flawless Fitness by Shania. So you can tag me flawless.shania. Okay, so guys, I'm going to play the last cool down. Cool down I'm doing on Bollywood song. Usually मैं cool down English music पे करती हूँ, but yes, on a demand, I'm doing this cool down on Bollywood song. Ready for last stretching. Don't miss this stretching, guys.
So you have a crush on me?
वैसे वाला क्रश नहीं है. क्रश नहीं है कि मैं तुम्हें देखूं और मेरा दिल करे कि नहीं है ऐसा क्रश.
काला जादू कर दिया तेरी अख सोनी, पूरा लंदन हिलदा हिले जो तेरा लक सोनी. ओ मुंडियां नू मारेंगी ना एवें हस सोणीए, केड़ा पिंड शहर तेरा तू मैनू दस सोणीए. ओ लगदी लाहौर दिया जिस हिसाब ना हस दिया. ओ लगदी पंजाब दिया जिस हिसाब ना तक दिया. कुड़ी दा पता करो केड़े पिंड दिया केड़े शहर दिया. ओ लगदी लाहौर दिया जिस हिसाब ना हस दिया. कुड़ी दा पता करो पता करो पता करो. कातिल अदावां तो बचना मैं चाहवां पर बच भी ना पावां की करां.
दिल्ली दा नखराया चल मेरा बखराया. इम्प्रेस न करती है मैनू तेरी बात सोनी है. लख कोशिश कर ले पर मैं ना सेट होनी है. तेरे बस दी ना मैं हूँ, तेरे बस दी ना मैं हूँ. तू कर ट्रस्ट सोनिए, और कुछ बाकी कहने को तो चल दस सोनिए.
अखियां ना गोली अखियां ना गोली मार दिया, अंदरों प्यार भी कर दिया. ओ लगदी लाहौर दिया जिस हिसाब ना हस दिया. कुड़ी दा पता करो पता करो पता करो. रो, 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 रो.
Just a second. Okay. Yeah, that was just a small cool down. Just stretch your arms. Yeah, just inhale. Just for only 10 seconds, eyes closed and take a long breath. Exhale. Yes, and with the knees straight, you have to bend down, touch your toes without any knees bend. Inhale and down, relax. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. I hope you guys like my session. Thank you, Petal School. Thanks for the supporting always. थैंक यू पेरेंट्स बिकॉज आप नहीं अगर लाइव आते आप ये आईडी शेयर नहीं करते सो आई थिंक वो मुझे मोटिवेशन वो सब स्टाइल नहीं आता बिकॉज संडे इज आई कैन से संडे इज अ लेजी डे बट जब मुझे पता चला कि पेरेंट्स इतने इनिशिएटिव ले रहे हैं सुबह उठकर ब्रेकफास्ट इतना हैवी ब्रेकफास्ट के बाद भी दे आर रेडी टू वर्कआउट सो वो सेम चीज मुझे इतना मोटिवेट करा देन आई वोक अप अर्ली देन आई स्टार्ट आई हैड माय ब्रेकफास्ट आई होप so now it's worth it you have to write in the comment it's worth it now you can enjoy now you can start your Sunday with the energetic with the style with the happiness happy face stay safe stay healthy guys keep workout keep doing workout and yes, stay at home is the main. Thank you so much. Thank you, Petal School. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.